Teach, na-launch na ako as 5-1 Talk teacher. Ano na po yung gagawin ko? So, dapat na kayong mag-open ng slots. There are two ways for you to open your slots. So, una is dun sa shift management. So, open nyo lahat ng mga peak slots. So, yun yung pinaka-advised sa mga newly hired teachers. Peak slots starts from 6 o'clock to 9:30 in the evenings. You will be visible to regular students if you open slots in the shift management. Number 2, you can also open in AOS. So, ano yung AOS? Auto Open Schedule. So, that is the special project of 5-1 Talk. Teacher tie-up program yun. So, 30 days kayo na dapat open yung slots na yun kasi for fixed students yun. If you open your slots in the AOS at saka sa shift management, meaning to say that you will be visible to both regular students at saka sa fixed students. So, higher yung visibility mo, mayroon talagang higher chances na mabook agad yung inyong open slots. Pero dapat bantayan nyo po yun. Kasi usually ng mga newly hired teachers ay hindi talaga nila namamalayan na naka-absent na pala sila kasi hindi rin nila binabantayan yung open slots nila. Dapat talaga kasi na naka-online po kayo doon sa Air Classroom if ever you have your open slots. Or keep on checking your 5-1 Talk app tsaka sa shift management. Huwag lang kayong titingin doon sa my booking schedules kasi nakakalito yun. Mayroon kasi yung mga glitches. Hindi nagmamatch yung nasa shift management at saka sa my booking schedules. Always check your open slots in 5-1 Talk app. Yun yung number 1. Ikalawa is dun sa shift management. At saka syempre dun sa Air Classroom. Dun talaga ang dapat yung gawin right after kayong ma-launch as 5-1 Talk teacher.